What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, whatever it is. I hope you're having an amazing life. Let's stop even trying to figure out when I'm releasing these videos. Yeah, let's just do that. Today, I want to talk about the one single hack that has solved my problem with not waking up at 5 a.m. So let's do it. As you guys know, I have a goal this year to wake up at 5 a.m. 200 days out of the 365 we have. So far, it's not been going very well. I'm currently on track to wake up for less than half of those days at 5 a.m. I have watched tons of videos on this. Probably one of the best ones I've seen is Matt D'Avella's, which I will link up here, wherever it goes. I think it's this side. Great video. I've implemented most of the strategies there, which have been really nice, especially the one where he says wake up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. or whatever the video is talking about, and go to bed whenever you feel tired. Don't try and set both sides. It's not good. But anyways, that still wasn't working for me. I still wasn't consistently waking up at 5 a.m. So I sat down and did some introspection on myself. What is it that would drive me to actually get out of bed and stay out of bed in the mornings? I already have my alarm across the room. I tried his glass of water trick. I go to bed whenever I feel tired. I read a to-do list the night before, like what else can I do to motivate myself to stay out of bed? You lazy bum. And then I realized I like streaks. Whenever I get on a streak of something, daily vlogging is a great example. When I get like week in on daily vlogs, I just don't want to break that streak. I haven't eaten McDonald's in 4.5, 5 years. And originally it was for a reason. Now it's just because, well, that's a lot of time I would have wasted. I wanted to tell you the one simple hack that I've used that made it actually work. All you will need for this, some note cards and a pen. Any pen will do. I'll use a Sharpie for this. Any pen will do. This is going to be incredibly simple, and after you watch it, it's gonna be like, well, this was a waste of time. I hope you don't say that. That would be really sad. So basically what we're gonna do, we have a whole bunch of note cards here. Well, right on this side, doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna take one note card. This is gonna be for week number 1. I'm going to do this. We're going to write Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday, Tuesday, nope, that's Monday, Tuesday, Sunday. All right, cool. Boom, 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 boom. And then I'm gonna put the date, week of 2/2, let's say. Oh man. Oh, no, permanent marker, come on. Okay, that's what we're looking at. Now I set this on my nightstand right next to my bed. When I wake up that morning, I go, ta-da. Now when I wake up on Tuesday, I'm like, well, I already woke up on Monday. I don't want to break this habit, so let's not go back to bed. So let's cross this one off. And Wednesday rolls around, we're like, oh, okay, well now it's almost a streak. Now it really is a streak. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. So I drew up one of these for every week for the next like 6 to 8 weeks, something like that. And this is what I'm doing every day. And by doing that every day, crossing off the days that I wake up, and every morning I see a list, X, 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 and then today's empty. What are you gonna do today, Trey? What are you gonna do? You gonna be that guy that breaks that streak? You better not be. You better not be. Then every week I cycle them out and we do it all over again. That's it for today's quick trip. Quick trip? It's not a quick trip, we didn't go anywhere. Quick tip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are crushing this year. We are 1/12 of the way through it. Let's continue crushing it. I will see you guys next time. Peace.